Let's go. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. Oh.
Hey y'all. Okay, so y'all, these are the braids my mom did, and these are the braids I did. Huge difference. But I'm about to put this wig cap on, y'all. I have a video on my channel on how I do the ball cap method, real simple, real quick. So go ahead and just watch that video. But I'm not gonna sew my braids down. I'm just gonna take the bottom ones and just crisscross it in the back like that, like so, like that. Oh, I look crazy. And I did wipe my hairline with alcohol prior. And y'all, I got me some pink scissors. So I'm pretty sure that these braids on the side are not going to be too secure. So I don't really plan on having this ball cap on for too long. But I'm going to go in with my Gots to Be gel, what I have left of it, and my Gots to Be free spray. And I'm going to go ahead and put a layer on my hairline to mold this ball cap down. And then I'm going to be right back. Oh, y'all see I got coconut oil stains already on my stuff. But I'll be right back. Over at this point, because make sure your wig cap is dry. It's like ever since I've been home, my wig cap don't never want to stay put. It just always wants to slide back. Like, why is it sliding back? You don't have to slide back. You don't have to slide back. But y'all, I'm about to wipe off my hairline and then I'm gonna put the glue. Y'all, today I'm gonna go. Y'all, I must have a pink thing. I must have a pink theme because I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active Glue. And I'm just going to put a few layers on and get this wig slayed and laid. And I don't know where my piece is to be able to like spread it out. So I'm just going to use my handy dandy Q-tip. Work in sections, but you know, a girl like me don't be trying to work in sections. A girl like me be trying to speed the process along. So I'm gonna not go in sections, but I'm gonna put about 3 layers. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 layers, and then on my 3rd layer, I'm gonna come back. Is to wait till everything is nice and clear. As you can see, I still have some white spots, but you want to make sure everything is clear before you place your wig on. FYI, just to let you know, that is really the goal. But we're kind of in a rush right now, and I'm ready to get this wig on because I'm ready to go to bed. So you're just going to place the wig into the glue. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig is looking. Some spots still need some glue. The wig cap is kind of a little bit closer to my forehead, so I pushed it down. You know what I'm saying? So the wig is a little bit, oh, that's not cute either. The wig is kind of like a little bit closer on my hair, on my forehead. So what I like to do is I'm gonna take my clip. This is where I see, like here, it's not glued down. I'm gonna take it. Some more glue. As you can see, I came real close on this side, but that's okay. This side is okay. It's a little gap. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna and then after I dry, I'm gonna press it down. I'm gonna put my elastic band on and tie it down. Then I'm gonna blow dry the hair, and then I'm gonna straighten it, and I'm gonna come back and take it off. So yeah, so this is how the wig is looking. I didn't really bleach the knots too well, which is okay. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care, but yeah. Y'all, so I'm not done blow drying this hair. I'm almost done, but y'all, this hair is so soft. Yeah, it is kind of shedding. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's kind of shedding as I'm blow drying it, but you know what I'm saying? It's kind of expected with the wig, like having shedding. But y'all, this hair is so silky, and it's 26 inches. This is where it stops on me. So yeah, but I'm probably not gonna put too much more heat on it, just because I do not want to over process it. And so I don't want to over process it, so this is as much heat as I'm gonna I might put a little bit more on there. But y'all, this hair is soft. Like, it is soft. I'm not even gonna front. But we're gonna take this headband off and see what we're working with. I'm kind of nervous. Whew, that thing was tight, boy. Whew, y'all. It looked like it slid back. But okay, this is what I like to do, y'all. I like to brush it back on the sides. And what I like to do is comb out all the excess, like the baby hair type. Having alcohol on hand, so what I'm gonna do, oh y'all, but this wig is so high, but it's not too bad. What I'm gonna do is take a rag and use some water. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Alcohol is preferred, and just wipe where that extra. What you can do is to darken, to make the lace melt in a whole. Y'all, this is not cute. But to make that lace melt in a whole lot more, what you can do is take some foundation and put it there. My only thing is, y'all, I don't have powder foundation. I have liquid, and liquid works. Only thing is, I feel like with the glue, it starts clumping up in the lace and making your lace look very black. So I'm probably not gonna do that, but I mean, you can do that. Some mousse, y'all. I'm just using some. I would just try maybe not do volumizing mousse, but at this point, mousse is mousse. It's quarantine, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's Dollar Tree mousse. this point, you know what I'm saying, you could definitely straighten this hair and like style it how you want to. I don't know if this is how I'm gonna keep it, but this is how it's looking right now. What I'm probably gonna do is cut some layers, not layers, but just cut into it so it can frame my face more. You know what I'm saying? Cause I like to do that little twist thing. Do that for another day. But this is what it's looking like, y'all. I mean, come on now. I'm no professional. I'm no professional. But it looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It looks pretty good to me. But like I said, it's still like a little damp. It's actually kind of dry, but like you could flat iron it. I'll probably flat iron it in the morning. But y'all, like, excuse me, ma'am. This part needs to be lifted. Allove hair, y'all. It came with. I'm gonna just go back over what it came with because I never got to edit that video. But y'all, it came with an orange piece, clip piece to put in my hair. Y'all, it came with a shirt, an orange shirt. It literally says Allove hair. Am I a brand ambassador or something? I have no clue. Y'all, it came with a mask. And yes, it says COVID-19 away. Stay at home is your best love for your family.
Wow.
Free surgical mask. But y'all, it came with this cute clip. I'm about to put that clip in. And y'all, it came with how to defense against COVID-19. This form. A weaving net. And it also came with an elastic band, which is really cute because I've never gotten an elastic hairband from a company. Y'all, this hair is actually quite nice. It has minimal flyaways, minimal shedding. Honestly, I've washed this wig about 3 times. We're doing good still. I've washed the wig and it's balding. So we're doing pretty good. So I like this hair. If you want an updated review on this hair, just let me know. I hate it's the shape of a heart. That's cute. It looks so innocent. But yeah, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. And hook it up. But I'll insert some clips of what this hair looks like straightened and looking good, because these are what the ends look like after me blow drying it. Kind of but that's okay. I'll show you guys, so stay tuned for my next video.